A federal judge has dismissed indictments against New York's Attorney General Letitia James and former FBI Director James Comey, two of President Donald Trump's major critics. The judge ruled that the prosecutor wasn't legally allowed to charge them. Washington correspondent Vinay Simlot explains.
Yeah, the court order stops the prosecutions for now against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judge argued the prosecutor in this case was illegally appointed.
I'm innocent, I am not afraid, and I believe in an independent federal judiciary.
Former FBI Director James Comey responded after a federal judge dismissed cases against him and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judge says acting U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan was unlawfully appointed. News Nation legal analyst Jesse Weber says that means she could not have charged Comey and James.
If she was not lawfully appointed, then any action she took once she entered office was illegal.
Eric Siebert, the previous interim U.S. attorney, resigned in September while the Trump administration pushed for charges against Letitia James and James Comey. The judge says Siebert served the 120 days allowed by law for an interim U.S. attorney. After that, the Senate must approve a presidential nominee. The Department of Justice says Halligan was legally appointed by Attorney General Pam Bondi.
Lindsay Halligan is an excellent U.S. attorney, and shame on them for not wanting her in office.
Comey and James say President Donald Trump targeted them for political reasons. President Trump urged Attorney General Pam Bondi to take action in a Truth Social post that was later taken down. It mentioned Halligan. She took office 2 days later.
We'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal, to hold Letitia James and James Comey accountable for their unlawful conduct.
Legal experts we spoke with say that another prosecutor could bring charges against Letitia James if they are legally appointed, if the Department of Justice wants to charge her again. But they say for James Comey, it's a little bit more complicated because the statute of limitations set a September 30th deadline on charges against James Comey in this case. And after the dismissal, the judge said there's no legal reason to extend that deadline that's now passed. In Washington, I'm Vinay Simlot. Back to you.
If you've already started your